Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. So I thought I'd introduce myself before I walk around and do the property inspection here. Multi-Man Services, we specialize in low-pressure detergent-based cleaning processes that is perfect for aluminum or steel siding like this, because over the years this siding has become very fragile and brittle with oxidation. So you don't ever want to use a high-pressure washer. You can actually have a lot of damage with the washing process of like pressure washing. So what we do, instead of using high pressure and potentially having all of that damage, is we apply a gentle detergent to the siding, let that dwell, and our detergent actually does the work for us. So we let the detergent work on the algae and the mold and the dirt. It breaks it down, it actually turns color, and then from there it disappears. So a really cool process. When I was walking around the property, I noticed a couple of spots that our washing service really isn't going to help. Obviously it's going to take care of all of this algae and mold and lichen and all this nastiness here, but if you look at this stuff here, this really just needs to be repainted. Stuff like that. There's a lot of, at the end of all the windows, you see these little lines. So that needs to be repainted. And then if you look at these windows here, the frames, essentially the frames right here are oxidized to the point where they need to be scrubbed with a special whitening chemical and brushed really good, and then they'll brighten up really good. But a low pressure soft wash isn't going to do anything for those issues on your home, but it does take care of all the nasty mold, mildew, lichen. So around the other parts of your house, I noticed that you had some screens on your gutters here, and you wanted to get some gutter cleaning, so we'll be glad to do that for you. These vinyl screens, they only have roughly like a 3 to 4 year shelf life. They start to degrade down after that, so I'd encourage you to, if you have us clean your gutters, we'll remove those, clean out your whatever's in your gutters and flush out your downspouts. And then if you'd like to entertain some of our gutter screen protection, we'd be glad to give you a quote for that. So thank you so much for having me out here. Any questions you have, don't hesitate to give me a call on my personal cell, and we'll take good care of you. Let's check out this, at the end of this video here, if you could, check out this brief informational video about what you can do to help extend the life of your older roof. We're also in the roof maintenance business, and we're kind of like the unroofer. So this little informational video at the end of this, we'll talk a little bit about what you can do to help extend the life of your roof. And if you have interest in it, let me know. Thank you.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. RoofMax is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because RoofMax treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed with RoofMax, a powerful fusion of science and nature.